Imagine a world without energy bills. Imagine spaceships traveling to distant stars. Imagine a future where humanity has more energy than it could ever use. This is the promise of a Dyson sphere, a mind-blowing idea that captures the imagination and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. We humans are constantly searching for new energy sources. We started with fire, then coal, then oil, and now we're exploring solar, wind, and even nuclear fusion. But what if we could capture all the energy of a star? That's the incredible concept behind a Dyson sphere. It's a hypothetical megastructure, a gigantic sphere built around a star to capture its entire energy output. Imagine a solar panel the size of a planet, constantly bathing in the light of a sun. The idea of a Dyson sphere might sound like something out of science fiction, but it's a serious concept that has fascinated scientists and futurists for decades. In the next sections, we'll dive into what a Dyson sphere is, how or if we could build one, and what it could mean for the future of humanity. First proposed by physicist Freeman Dyson in 1960, a Dyson sphere is a hypothetical structure designed to harness the immense energy output of a star. It's not a solid sphere, as you might imagine, but rather a swarm of satellites, solar collectors, or habitats, all orbiting the star in a dense formation. Think of it like this. Imagine covering the entire surface of the sun with solar panels. That's essentially what a Dyson sphere aims to do, capturing nearly 100% of the star's energy output instead of the tiny fraction that reaches Earth. There are several variations on the Dyson sphere concept. A Dyson swarm, for example, is a more loosely organized collection of solar collectors orbiting the star. A Dyson bubble is similar, but uses light sails to maintain its position around the star. No matter the design, the goal remains the same: to create a system that can capture and utilize the vast energy of a star. This energy could then be beamed back to Earth, powering our cities, industries, and spaceships. Or it could be used to power advanced technologies and explorations beyond our wildest dreams. Building a structure on the scale of a Dyson sphere is a challenge that boggles the mind. Remember, we're talking about a structure that would need to be built around the sun, a star 109 times wider than Earth. The sheer amount of material needed to construct a Dyson sphere is staggering. We would need to harvest resources from entire planets, asteroids, and maybe even the sun itself. Current estimates suggest that we would need more material than exists in our entire solar system to build a complete Dyson sphere. Then there's the problem of transportation. Even if we could gather enough material, how would we transport it across the vast distances of space to the construction site around the sun? And how would we assemble a structure of that size in such a hostile environment? Right now, building a Dyson sphere is far beyond our technological capabilities. It would require advancements in space travel, resource extraction, robotics, and countless other fields. But that doesn't mean it's impossible. The challenges of megastructures. Building a Dyson sphere isn't just about overcoming engineering challenges. It also presents us with profound questions about our place in the cosmos and the future of our species. For example, what are the ethical implications of harnessing the energy of an entire star? Would it impact the life on other planets in our solar system? And who would control such a vast source of power? There are also logistical concerns. How would we manage and distribute the energy collected by a Dyson sphere? How would we protect it from potential threats, like asteroid impacts or even sabotage? These are complex questions with no easy answers, but they are questions worth pondering as we continue to explore the universe and our place within it. How would a Dyson sphere change humanity? If we ever manage to overcome the immense challenges of building a Dyson sphere, the impact on human civilization would be nothing short of transformative. With access to essentially limitless energy, we could solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and resource scarcity. We could power entire cities, industries, and transportation systems with clean, renewable energy. Space travel would be revolutionized. With enough energy, we could send spacecraft to other stars and galaxies, opening up new frontiers for exploration and discovery. We could even build massive space habitats, expanding humanity's reach beyond Earth and into the cosmos. But perhaps the most profound impact of a Dyson sphere would be on our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. Building such a structure would be a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to overcome even the most daunting challenges. A distant future, but an exciting one. While a Dyson sphere might seem like a far distant dream, it's a powerful symbol of human ambition and our desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. It might be centuries, or even millennia, before we have the technology and resources to build such a structure. But by exploring these concepts and discussing the challenges and opportunities they present, we can inspire future generations and lay the groundwork for incredible advancements in science and technology. The quest for a Dyson sphere is ultimately a quest for knowledge, understanding, and our place in the vast universe. It's a journey worth taking, even if it's one that will take us generations to complete. Dreaming big, reaching for the stars. The concept of a Dyson sphere, though seemingly out of reach for now, pushes us to think big about the future of humanity and our place in the cosmos. It highlights the incredible potential of science and technology to solve problems, explore the universe, and shape our destiny. While we may never see a Dyson sphere in our lifetime, the very act of imagining it, of grappling with its complexities, ignites our curiosity and fuels our desire to explore the unknown. It reminds us that the future is not set in stone, that with ingenuity and perseverance, we can achieve things that today seem impossible. So let's keep dreaming big, keep asking questions, and keep reaching for the stars.